What's up, YouTube? This is B-Side Investing. Looking into Digihost today. Ticker symbol DGHI.we. So the stock jumped up to 565 today, up 85%. Holy shit, that's ridiculous. So I did add more to the stock, so I am bullish on this stock, and also I have purchased more. So just want to clarify that. Also, before we start, please feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And also, please know this is not financial advice. And please think for yourself and invest wisely. So let's get into this. So Digihost completes $4 million non-brokered private placement and completes debt settlement. Now I know it's a little too late, but I just wanted to lead with this and then just give my thoughts on Digihost and go on from there. So I did say when I made the video about the announcement of this private placement that they would come out with a news around Thursday for closing this to complete this deal. It seems like it did on Friday, which it's close, whatever. So $4 million and $4.9 million shares at 81 cents, which is a huge discount now since the shares are at $5.65. Yeah, that's ridiculous. So the company will acquire, so with the money they'll receive from this, they will buy the latest generation miners, increase capacity, reduce energy cost, and for general working capital purpose. So that's generic. Okay, so in connection with the offering, the company has to pay a commission of 148,000 shares to third-party advisors. The purpose for this deal was to get capital so they can buy miners. And the mining companies, they don't really buy shares per se. They just want cash to pay their workers and all that stuff. If the third-party advisor is willing to buy shares, then why pay them? And also it might be for a deep discount like this at 81 cents. I don't know if it's going to be at 81 cents because shares at $5 already, so it might be closer to $5. So right, so this share, there's a hold period of 4 months, accordance with the securities law, and also third-party transactions. Right, so 1 million shares representing gross proceeds of $860,000 were acquired by directors of the company. So insiders buying, so that's good news. Okay, and also debt settlement. Digihost also announced its debt settlement agreement with 2 of its directors, and looks like the debt settlements are subject to 4 months and 1 day statutory hold period. Right, so now let's look at the miners that they might possibly end up buying. So they a few months ago they did announce that they were purchasing S19 Pros. So that's that 110 terahash. This seems to be monopolized by Mara with their partnership with Bitmain. So they have close to 100,000 units ordered. So they're currently their next shipment is 4,000 units, adding the hash rate to a total of 688. So I will update this once they have announced the news. And Mara is currently suffering with only 248, but a big hodling. So by this time next year, they will be just the giant. They're gonna be really big. So let's just focus on Digihost here. So Digihost 565 at 184 petahash. My target for this year with Digihost is that they will get a hash rate closer to what Hive has currently at 653. So by Q4, hopefully they'll announce. Right. With the acquisition of $4 million, they should have about enough funds for 4. And that doesn't mean that they're not going to do additional private placement once they find companies to make deals with. So they're gonna have additional deals coming in like this, and then that's gonna push down the stock. But then once that deal completes, it's gonna shoot. So that's what happened today. So let's see. Right, today was just a continuation of what happened on Friday, and shot the stock up to about 85%. So yeah, that's all good for me because I'm invested in it at an average price of 2.12. So looking good. All right, so I just have a comparison here with market cap and hash rate of Hive, Hut8, Mara, Riot, Bitfarm, Argo, and Digihost. Now, of course, Digihost is lowest with a market cap of just $226 million compared to Bitfarm at only $690 million. Right, the hash rate just, ridiculous. Digihost just does not compete with Bitfarm and Hut8 and even Mara, because Mara hodls a lot of Bitcoin for them to be, so. Now the next target we're looking at is closer to Argo and Hive hash rate. So once we get there, we should see it break $1 billion in market cap, which is a tall task considering they don't have much capital. So we'll aim for about 500 million market cap by the end of this year. So I'm just gonna wait for the news because they will have a purchase order soon with either Bitmain or MicroBT What's Miner. I'm hoping for a company to purchase the MicroBT What's Miner M30S++. Jeez, these names are long. What the hell? Okay. Yeah, I'm hoping Digihost purchase at least this one, which will increase their profitability and also their efficiency really high, and they just have to worry about securing low energy cost. So hopefully in the range of 30 to 35 cents per kilowatt. So that will really boost their profitability and also increase their Bitcoin hodl. Now I know they're only hodling about they're only producing about 33 Bitcoin per month. Not that great, just above 1 Bitcoin per day average. Not looking that great. So definitely increase that as well. And right, so I think that's it for this video. I just wanted to also introduce a new target price for Digihost. I think still it's going to be the same for me with Digihost at around 10. I want to say maybe $12, but once we get closer to $10, I'll place a new target. I already have $15 in mind. I just not sure if I want to just put that out right now. It is kind of high, 565, but then the market cap is also relatively high considering their the company's structure. I am expecting a pullback, so that could happen, but also please know this is not financial advice, right? So this could happen or not, right? So we never know. Bitcoin is currently in the 54K range. We'll see what happens. My target for Bitcoin this year is around 150K average price. So still some room to grow, and also Digihost to increase hash rate, increase their profitability and hodl, and decrease their energy cost. So all that good news. We should be expecting news about purchase order. We'll look forward to that, and also we'll get some specs and how much Bitcoin they could possibly mine with that order. Hopefully they give a detailed news or summary of the order. Yeah, so that'll be good. Okay, so let's keep this short here. So thank you for watching, and please feel free to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.